ever pondered the question, are we alone in the universe? It's a question as old as humanity itself, and one that continues to captivate us. The answer lies out there, in the vast expanse of the cosmos, a universe teeming with a multitude of stars, each potentially orbited by its own set of planets. Imagine this, a universe so grand that it houses over 100 billion galaxies, each one brimming with millions, if not billions, of stars. Around these stars, planets revolve, like our own Earth around the Sun. The sheer number of these celestial bodies suggests that the possibility of Earth-like planets is not just a possibility, but a likelihood. But let's not get lost in the abstract. Let's talk specifics. Enter the Kepler mission, a NASA initiative dedicated to discovering planets beyond our solar system, what we call exoplanets. Since its launch in the year 2009, Kepler has identified over 2,000 confirmed exoplanets. Among these, a number have been found in the habitable zone of their star, the region where conditions might just be right for life as we know it to exist. These planets, known as Goldilocks planets, are not too hot, not too cold, but just right. They're at an ideal distance from their star, with conditions that could potentially allow for liquid water to exist on their surface. A tantalizing hint, wouldn't you say? So, let's circle back to our initial question. As we stand on our tiny blue dot, looking out into the cosmos, we're faced with a universe that is vast beyond comprehension, peppered with a multitude of planets. Some of these distant worlds bear an uncanny resemblance to our own. So, if the universe is teeming with planets, some of which bear resemblance to our own, could life as we know it, or even as we can't yet imagine, exist out there? Water, the elixir of life as we know it. But is Earth the only celestial body where this precious resource is found? Let's take a trip through our solar system and beyond to find out. Water is much more common in our solar system than we once thought. In fact, our next-door neighbor Mars has been making headlines for its icy secrets. With the help of rovers and satellites, scientists have discovered evidence of water ice on Mars. Yes, you heard it right, ice on Mars. And not just a little bit, we're talking about enough to fill Lake Superior twice over. This discovery has opened up a whole new realm of possibilities for life beyond Earth, but Mars isn't the only one in on the secret. Let's take a leap further into the outer realms of our solar system. Jupiter's enigmatic moon Europa is believed to harbor a vast ocean beneath its icy crust. That's right, an entire ocean that's twice the volume of Earth's oceans combined. And where there's water, there could be life. However, the presence of water on these celestial bodies doesn't necessarily mean life as we know it. Life as we understand it requires not just water but a delicate balance of many factors. But the discovery of water does point to the potential for life. Water, in its many forms, appears to be a rather common ingredient in the cosmic kitchen. From the polar ice caps of Mars to the subsurface ocean of Europa, the presence of water beyond Earth is an exciting reality. As we continue to explore the vast expanse of the cosmos, these discoveries hint at the tantalizing possibility of finding life elsewhere. Water, the cornerstone of life on Earth, seems to be not just an earthly phenomenon, but does water necessarily mean life? As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we may soon find the answer to this intriguing question. Life on Earth thrives in the most unexpected places. Could this resilience extend to other planets too? Let's delve into Earth's nooks and crannies, where life not only survives but thrives, in conditions that would be unthinkable for us humans. These organisms, known as extremophiles, have adapted to live in some of the harshest environments on our planet. From the scalding hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor to the freezing cold of the Antarctic ice, these extremophiles push the boundaries of what we thought was biologically possible. Just imagine, there are microorganisms known as tardigrades, or water bears, that can withstand temperatures as low as -272 degrees Celsius and as high as 150 degrees Celsius. They can go without food or water for more than a decade, survive intense radiation, and even endure the vacuum of space. Then there are the extremophiles thriving in the darkness of the deep sea, near hydrothermal vents that spew out boiling water packed with toxic chemicals. These organisms, largely archaea and bacteria, don't rely on sunlight for energy. Instead, they use a process called chemosynthesis, deriving energy from the chemicals spewing from the vents. Now, why does this matter when we're talking about life on other planets? Well, many celestial bodies within our reach, like Mars or Jupiter's moon Europa, present extreme conditions similar to those we see on Earth. Mars has freezing temperatures and an atmosphere thin enough to make liquid water unstable. Europa, on the other hand, has an icy surface with a possibly warm ocean underneath, quite like our deep-sea vents. So if life can persist in Earth's extremes, who's to say it can't on Mars or Europa? Maybe, just maybe, there are extremophiles out there in the vast cosmos, pushing the boundaries of life as we know it. Life, as it appears, has an uncanny knack for survival, even in the harshest of conditions. Could this tenacity have taken root elsewhere in the cosmos? Have we been beaten to the punch? Could something or someone have reached these celestial bodies before us? These are intriguing questions, aren't they? The idea that we may not be the first to explore these otherworldly territories can be as exciting as it is unnerving. Let's look at the evidence, shall we? Let's start with our next-door neighbor, Mars. The Viking missions in the late 70s, which involved 2 spacecraft, Viking 1 and Viking 2, gave us some compelling data. These missions detected something peculiar in the Martian soil, chemical reactions that hinted at the possible presence of life. Although the findings were inconclusive, they raised a tantalizing possibility that Mars may have harbored life in the past. Fast forward to the 21st century, we had a mysterious visitor from another star system. Remember Oumuamua? That's Hawaiian for scout. And a scout it was indeed, the first interstellar object detected passing through our solar system. Its unusual shape and high-speed trajectory sparked a wave of speculation. Was it a comet, an asteroid, or something else entirely? While most scientists lean towards natural explanations, some have not ruled out the possibility that Oumuamua could be a product of alien technology. The cosmos is a vast and ancient place, much older than our own solar system. It's entirely plausible that civilizations could have risen and fallen elsewhere in the distant past. Maybe they even visited other planets, leaving behind subtle signs of their passage. These signs, if they exist, would be incredibly difficult to detect, but that doesn't stop us from looking. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding aliens, it's about understanding our place in the cosmos. Are we alone, or is the universe teeming with life? Are we the first to venture out into the cosmic ocean, or just the latest in a long line of explorers? While the evidence is tantalizing, until we have definitive proof, the question remains: have we been visited, or are we the first explorers of this vast cosmic ocean? The universe, it seems, is full of possibilities, but what does all this mean for us? In the grand cosmic theater, we've explored a myriad of possibilities. We've delved into the essence of life itself, water, and how it's found in the most unexpected corners of our solar system. From the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn to the salty liquid water under the frozen surface of Mars, the presence of this life-giving substance beyond our home planet extends hope. We navigated the resilience of life, witnessing extremophiles surviving in conditions once thought unsurvivable. The deep-sea hydrothermal vents on Earth, boiling with toxic chemicals, are home to thriving microbial communities. If life can persist here, who's to say it can't in the extreme environments of other planets? We've also pondered about a previous visit, a cosmic journey that may have taken place before us. The intriguing evidence of meteorites from Mars found on Earth, bearing potential signs of microbial life, raises questions. Could life have traveled between planets, hitching a ride on these spacefaring rocks? The implications of these possibilities are profound. Finding life, even at its simplest form, on another planet would shatter our understanding of the universe. It would redefine our perception of life's rarity and resilience. No longer would we view Earth as a unique haven for life, but potentially one of the many life-sustaining planets scattered across the universe. More than just a scientific discovery, it would be a philosophical revelation. It would challenge our sense of significance, our place in the cosmic order. Are we a mere cosmic accident, or is life an inevitable outcome of the universe's evolution? As we continue to explore the cosmos, one thing is clear. We are just at the beginning of our journey to understand the universe and our place within it. Until then, the question remains: are we alone?